हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बीएड की जो सेकेंड ईयर की जो प्रैक्टिकल फ़ाइल है दैट इज़ स्कूल एक्टिविटी फ़ाइल, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि वो फाइल आप कैसे बना सकते हो, उसमें क्या क्या कंटेंट रहेगा और क्या क्या आपको ऐड करना है। सो स्टार्टिंगली आप जो फाइल बनाओगे उसकी स्टार्टिंग आप किससे करोगे? प्रेयर से करोगे। ठीक है, प्रेयर में आप लिखोगे वी शैल ओवरकम, वी शैल ओवरकम, वी शैल ओवरकम समडे। Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall live in a peace, we shall live in a peace, we shall live in a peace. Oh, deep in my heart, we shall overcome one day. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome one day. तो ये आपकी जो प्रेयर रहेगी, जो आपको कम्प्लीटली प्रेयर लिखनी है। साथ में कुछ पिक्चर्स पेस्ट कर दोगे आप, जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं जो प्रेयर हॉल में बैठे हैं, प्रेयर कर रहे हैं, या फिर कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स की कोई भी फ़ोटो आप पेस्ट कर सकते हैं एज यू सी, जो आपकी पिक्चर में शो की गई है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, देन वी हैव ए अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर मेंटेन। तो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर मेंटेन में फर्स्टली दिस इज अनदर important register which is maintained in each class and the section showing. Next, the name of the people on the roll of the class or the section during a month. The attendance is marked in the beginning of the school hours. Entry should be made in the link. Blank should not be left. Student who remain absent from the school without leave for the 15 consecutive attendance is struck off from the rolls. Holidays are marked in the red ink. The main function, as its name suggests, is to show the presence and absence of every student enrolled in the class. तो आप स्टूडेंट रजिस्टर के बारे में बताओगे और साथ में आप कुछ पिक्चर्स को पेस्ट करोगे जो आपको डिस्प्ले की गई है। साथ में आप एक वो भी क्या नाम, जो स्कूल की जो एक्टिविटी का बोर्ड होता है उसको भी आप पेस्ट कर सकते हैं as you see here. Then we have a curriculum. तो करिकुलम में आप क्या शो करोगे? द टर्म करिकुलम रेफर्स टू द लेसन और द academic content taught in a school or in a specific course as program. In dictionary, curriculum is often defined as the courses offered by a school, but it is rarely used in such a general sense in schools. Curriculum typically refers to the knowledge and the skill students are expected to learn, which includes the learning standards or learning objective. They are expected to meet the rates and the lessons the teacher teach, the assignments and the projects given to the student, the book material, videos and the presentations used in the course, and the test, assessment and other methods used to evaluate student beginning. तो ये आपका कम्प्लीटली क्या रहेगा? आपका करिकुलम के बारे में रहेगा। फिर आप कुछ पिक्चर्स पेस्ट करोगे। दैन वी हैव अ टाइम टेबल। अब आप टाइम टेबल में क्या शो करोगे? अ प्लान ऑफ थिंग दैट नीड टू बी डन एंड द टाइम दे विल बी डन. अ स्कूल टाइम टेबल इज़ अ टेबल कोऑर्डिनेटिंग दीज 4 एलिमेंट्स. ठीक है, ये आप एलिमेंट्स को शो करोगे. अदर फैक्टर्स इंक्लूड द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द क्लास एंड द टाइप ऑफ क्लासरूम्स अवेलेबल. स्कूल टाइम टेबल यूजुअली cycle every week or every fortnight. The main difference is the fact that is high schools students have to be occupied and referred every hour of the school or newly every hour. The high school teacher generally have much higher teaching leads than in the case of universities. तो आप इसको मेंशन करोगे. फिर उसके बाद आप कुछ पिक्चर्स को पेस्ट करोगे एज यू सी, जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो की गई है. Then we have a daily diary. In the daily diary, you will show daily diary. आप mention करोगे. A daily diary is a record with discrete entities arranged by a date reporting on what has happened or the course of a day or other period. Importance क्या रहेगी डायरी की? The school diary is important in the following ways. First, school diary is helpful to the everyone trust member and the management, parents, teachers, and the students. Next, parents can know various activities of the school, their children progress, complaints against the children, homework given to the children. The diary is helpful to the teacher. He or she can know the progress of a student and trying it notice of parents. They can note down homework in the diary. From the diary, they can know about the discipline of the school and the various penalty for breaking school laws. ठीक है. Then we have a methods used to the topic in the class. तो आप पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करोगे. एज यू सी फर्स्ट मेथड क्या शो कर रहा है, लेक्चर मेथड, और सेकंड मेथड क्या कर रहा है आपका, ये आपके स्टूडेंट्स को प्ले मेथड से सिखा रहे हैं. गेम खेल खेल के इनको उनके अंदर टीम स्पिरिट को डेवलप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो इसमें आप क्या लिखोगे, मैथड्स यूज टू द टीचर, methods used to teach the topic in the class. The term teaching methods refers to the general principles, pedagogy, and the management strategies used for the classroom instructions. Your choice of teaching methods depend on what fits you, your educational philosophy, classroom demographics, subject areas, and the school mission statements. Teaching theory primarily falls into the two categories or approaches, teacher-centered and student-centered. Teacher-centered approach to the teaching. So, teachers are the main authority figure in the two models. Student view as empty vessels whose primary role is to positively receive information, while lecture and the direct instruction with an end goal of testing and assessment. It is the primary role of teacher to pass knowledge and information into their students. In this model, teacher and the assessment are viewed as two separate entities. Students' learning is measured through effectively score test and the assessment. तो ये आपको जो टीचिंग मेथड यूज़ किए गए हैं उसके बारे में बताया गया है, कौन कौन से मेथड्स यूज़ किए गए. तो एज एक पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी है और साथ में कंटेंट लिखना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड अप्रोच इन लर्निंग. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, while teachers are an authority figure in this model, teachers and students play an equally active role in the learning progress. The student primary role is to coach and facilitate student learning and overall comprehension of the materials. Student learning is measured through both formal and the informal assessment, including graph, projects, and student portfolios and the classroom participation. To better understand these approach, it is important to discuss what is generally understanding as these main teaching styles in the educational pedagogy: direct instruction, inquiry, transit learning, and the cooperative learning. Through these three teaching methods, teacher can gain, क्या गेन करेगा टीचर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग को गेन करेगा ऑफ हाउ टू गवर्न देयर क्लासरूम्स, इम्प्लीमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड कनेक्ट विद देयर स्टूडेंट्स. तो इसमें आप एक पिक्चर को पेस्ट करोगे एज दैट इज शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन. Then we have a work that a student is given to do at a home. The researchers or reading done in order to prepare for something. Homework is usually given to the student by the teachers. It is practice work which help student revise on all they learned that day. Homework also helps students to remember what they learned. Many students will get more homework and some will get less. It depends on how old they are and in which grade they are. This could determine what level they are in. Why the homework is important? Improve your child thinking and the memory. Homework encourages your child to use timely wisely. It teach your child to work independent. Homework teach your child to take responsibility of his work. That allow your child to review and practice what has been covered in the class. Next, it help your child to get ready for the next thing in the class. Homework help parents learn more about what your child is learning in the school. If it allows parents to communicate about what to be others in learning. बेनिफिट्स क्या है होमवर्क के? होमवर्क टीच स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट द टाइम मैनेजमेंट. होमवर्क टीच स्टूडेंट हाउ टू सेट प्रायोरिटीज. होमवर्क टीच स्टूडेंट हाउ टू सोल्व प्रॉब्लम्स. Homework gives student another opportunity to review the class material. Homework gives parents a chance to save what their child is learning in the school. Homework teaches students that they have to do things even when where they do not want to. Homework teaches students how to work independently. Then we have a picture that is analysis of library. There is one library in the school which is neither the big or nor the small one. It is according to the school and the student. Number of books. There are 500 books in the school. For the students, these books are provided for the student to the important knowledge. Any school is incomplete without library and the books. It is important for all the school to have a library and the books for the students. Type of books. The library of the school have a lots of books for the students as well as the teachers. In the school, there are the variety of books. It has few magazines like Pratigya Darpan and the News Daily. It has few comic books for the small and the junior student, so that with the study student can read comics for the refreshment. अब इसमें आपको पिक्चर किसकी पेस्ट करनी है? लाइब्रेरी के रिगार्डिंग कोई भी आप पिक्चर पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then we have analysis of lab. Computer lab. In the school there is a one computer lab for the student, but it is small according to the student. Lab is important for the studying computer like MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So the student can enhance their knowledge regarding computer science. Practical work is very important to understand computer, and it is possible with the help of computer labs. Then we have number of computer. There are 5 computers in the lab. One computer is allotted for 3 to 4 students. One by one, all can use it. Seating arrangement. There are 10 seats in the computer lab for the students. All the class are allowed to use computer and sit in the computer lab. ठीक है. On the time, one class is allotted to go in the computer lab and can work on the computers. Then we have arrangement classes. Classroom arrangement is one of the key decisions that teachers need to make when they begin a new teaching year. A few of the items that need to decide it include where to place the teacher desk, how to place the student desk, and whether or not to use seating charts. Where to place the teacher desk. Teacher typically place their desk to the front of the classroom. However, there is nothing that says that this is the way it has to be. With being in the front of the class, afford the teacher a good view of the student face. There are advantages of placing the desk in the back of classroom. Then we have invigilator duty. तो जो टॉपिक है ना उन सबके रिगार्डिंग आप फोटो पेस्ट करते जाओ. लाइक लाइब्रेरी है, लाइब्रेरी के रिगार्डिंग. अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर है, उसके रिगार्डिंग. अब इन्विजिलेटर ड्यूटी है तो उसके रिगार्डिंग कोई भी फोटो पेस्ट कर सकते हो आप. फ़ोटो पेस्ट करने से आपका जो कंटेंट है ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगता है. तो इसलिए जितना अच्छा हो सके, जितनी ज़्यादा हो सके पिक्चर्स को पेस्ट करो. किसी भी पेज को खाली मत छोड़ो. जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ोटोज़ पेस्ट करोगे आपका कंटेंट उतना अच्छा लगेगा. और बहुत जल्दी से जल्दी कोई भी समझ सकता है कि हाँ ये लाइब्रेरी के रिगार्डिंग लिख रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे इन्विजिलेटरी करके रिगार्डिंग लिख रखा हुआ, रजिस्टर के रिगार्डिंग लिख रखा हुआ, या डायरी के रिगार्डिंग लिख रखा हुआ. तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ोटोज़ पेस्ट करो. Then we have invigilator duty. Invigilator has a key role in uploading the integrity of the examination process. The role of invigilator is to ensure that examinations are conducted in accordance with the regulatory equipments in order to ensure that all the candidates have an equal opportunity to demonstrate their abilities. An exam invigilator or exam supervisor is someone who is appointed by the examination board and the service for maintaining the proper conduct of the particular examination in accordance with the exam regulation. It is the duty of the exam invigilator to watch the examination conducted to prevent cheating during the examination. Exam invigilators are appointed to a position of trust, and they should possess the equality of integrity and the vigilance to conduct the examination in exact order accordance with the examination board instruction. Okay, then we have an extra class. All the parents in the world have the same intention. They hope their children can get the success one day. Parents will send their children to attend tuition classes, although they need to pay for the fee. So the extra class at the school can give benefit to both the parents and the students. First of all, extra class of the school is free of fee. If the children attend extra class at the school, they will help their parents to save money and reduce their parents' burden. Nowadays, each tuition class need to pay an expensive fee each month. It is a big amount, so extra class can be substitute for the tuition class. Children can get more clearly and deeply explanation from the teachers. Besides, children will do more exercise or practice at the extra classes. Otherwise, children can study together with their friends in extra classes. अब आपके एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस के रिगार्डिंग आपको पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी है. इस पूरे आपने बताया कि एक्स्ट्रा क्लास का क्या बेनिफिट्स है, क्यों कराई जाती है. अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी पड़ेगी जिसमें आप स्टूडेंट्स के एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस के बारे में शो करोगे, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट कॉपरेशन को सीख रहा है, कॉपरेटिवनेस को सीख रहा है कि अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के कैसे पढ़ा जाता है, कैसे अपनी नॉलेज को एनहांस कर सकते हैं. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग आप एक पिक्चर पोस्ट करोगे. अब एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस में आप एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज़ के रिगार्डिंग भी फोटोज पेस्ट कर सकते हो, लाइक स्विमिंग क्लास हो गया, म्यूज़िक क्लास हो गया, डांसिंग क्लास हो गया. तो इन सब चीज़ों के रिगार्डिंग आप एक फ़ोटो पेस्ट कर सकते हो. Then we have a concept of CCE. Concept of continuous and the comprehensive evaluation. Comprehensive and the continuous evaluation is an approach. It's aimed at assessing those attributes of the personality of a student which cannot be assessed through one written examination. There are three terms involved in the framework of continuous comprehensive evaluation, continuous comprehension, and the evaluation. Continue plus comprehension plus evaluation. CCC provide accommodation for the individual difference. It helps the children to realize their potential. It includes a combination of extra and the internal evaluation. It provides periodical feedback. Both have children and the teachers. Characteristics of CCE. Continuing comprehensive evaluation is informal evaluation in a school carried out by the teachers who teach. Since the teacher knows his people well, it in his right to evaluate through CCE. तो आप ये ऐसा सेम टू सेम अपने पेज पे सेम टू सेम ये सारे कंटेंट आप लिख सकते हो. It developed the habit of self-study as well as the regular study. CCE provides the habit of library competition among the students. Role of teacher in CCE. During the student learning period, teachers play important role. It is expected and desired that teachers have the best understanding of assessing techniques and the process. From this point of view, the following is tried to be known in the assessment process. Previous year knowledge, level of understanding, assessment of learning process as included. Frequent testing is necessary. Students should be encouraged to give away an answer by the alternative and traditional methods. Wrong answer can be used to analyze the level of children understanding. The traditional remarks such as slow learner, poor performer, as intelligent child should be discussed. Then such activities should be evolved instead of numeric efficiency and the conceptual duty. Why to use CCE? Improve learning, evaluation, comprehensive evaluation, self-assessment, peer assessment, teacher assessment and strength of the student. Area under the CCE. Primary class first and second. Observation oral and written. Observations to schedule over question, oral question paper, diagnostic test. Day to day observation and the recording by the teacher at the end of the comprehensive recording after the text. तो ये आपका जो पूरा कंप्लीट कंटेंट रहेगा, आप ऐसे ही रो एंड टेबल की फॉर्म में बनाओ और आप पूरा कंटेंट को एज यू नो पूरा का पूरा विजिबल है आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर, तो आप सेम टू सेम ऐसी कंटेंट को लिख सकते हो. साथ में आपको पिक्चर पेस्ट करनी है एज दीज आर शोन ऑन द योर स्क्रीन, तो सेम टू सेम आप पिक्चर भी पोस्ट कर सकते हो, इस टाइप की पिक्चर पोस्ट कर सकते हो. आई नो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है सेम टू सेम पिक्चर हर जगह अरेंज हो जाए, तो आप इस टाइप की पिक्चर्स को पोस्ट करो, दैट मीन पेस्ट करो यहाँ पे, जिससे क्या होगा आपका जो कंटेंट है वो और भी अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है. देन वी हैव एम्स ऑफ CCE. क्या एम्स रहेंगे? टू मेक द लर्नर अ बेटर लर्नर इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे, टू इम्प्रूव द अचीवमेंट ऑफ पीपल एंड द हेल्प देयर टू अचीव द डिजायर्ड लेवल ऑफ लर्निंग, टू प्रोवाइड फीडबैक एंड द गाइडेंस टू द लर्नर, टू रिड्यूस द फियर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन फ्रॉम द माइंड ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट इन गेटिंग रिड ऑफ मेमोराइजेशन और द रॉट लर्निंग, to help the learner attain good habits, proper attitude for the learning the language, to make the teaching learning of language a healthy program, to make the teacher a better teacher with more confidence. Then we have purpose of classroom. A good classroom assessment plans gather evidence of student learning that inform teacher instructional decision. Placement evaluation. The purpose of placement evaluation is to ensure that the skill of incoming students are uniformly evaluated, that students are placed in a course appropriate to their academic preparation. Formative evaluation. A formative evaluation is a method to judge the worth of program while the program activities are forming. Diagnostic evaluation. Diagnostic evaluation is a type of assessment which examines what a student knows and can do prior to the learning programs being implemented. Then we have methods of assessment. Various assessment tasks can be given to the learner to find out what they know and can do. This helps the teachers in knowing whether the learning outcome have been achieved. Differentiated assignments in the form of testing is provided a more comprehensive and more valid assessment of pupils' activity. Practical skills of persuading reports, analyzing data, etc., and the competency acquired provide a more reliable indicators of the learner performance in the subject. Assessment method involve analytical thinking and the problem solving skills, and other competency can help to acquire the thinking and the logical reasoning ability rather than the memorization of fact. Then we have a concept of learning and the learner material. Method of learning and the learner material. Learning is an act of acquiring new or modification and the reinforcing existing knowledge, skills, behavior, values, or the preference, which may lead to the potential change in the synthesizing information, depth of knowledge, attitude or behavior related to the topic, and range of experience. Learning provide change in the organism, and the change produced are relatively permanent. Why the learning material? Learning material are important because they can significantly increase student achievement by supporting student learning material, including for the students use should be appropriate for the subject areas and for the given call the student in a class the opportunity to share experience necessary for the new learning. Each teacher requires a range of tools to draw upon in order to assist and support student learning. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ लर्निंग मटेरियल, तो इसमें आपने क्लासीफाई किया है सिंपल हार्डवेयर, हार्डवेयर इन द सॉफ्टवेयर. सिंपल हार्डवेयर के एग्जांपल रहेंगे स्लाइड प्रोजेक्टर, ओवरहेड प्रोजेक्टर, मैजिक, फिल्म स्ट्रिप. दैन वी हैव हार्डवेयर के एग्जांपल रहेंगे रेडियो, टेलीविज़न, रिकॉर्ड प्लेयर, कंप्यूटर एंड द टेली फीचर्स. सॉफ्टवेयर के चार्ट, मैप, ग्राफ, कार्टून्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. how to develop and produce simple learning material with the limited resources, identification of problem and the needs, analysis of problem, format selection, concept arrangement, develop learning objective and design training material. Needs and importance of learning material. क्या need है, क्या importance है? Learning material include text and the multimedias on all the area of curriculum. Learning material is important because they significantly increase student achievement by supporting the student. Learning material can also add important structures in the lesson planning and the delivery of instruction, particularly in the lower grades. List of some important learning aids. Chalkboard and the blackboard. Blackboard focus on teaching and the service to help students learn not just our way but on way. They are mainly used for teaching purpose in educational institutions. Pictures. Visualization is deemed a helpful medium for understanding and the remembering information. Radios. Radio is a scientific device that functions as an effective auditory instrument for communication. Television. Educational television or the learning shows the use of television program in the field of distance education. Fitness and information. An educational film or a movie whose primary purpose is to educate. Educational film have been used in the classroom as an alternative to the other teaching materials. तो ये आपका क्या रहेगा, ये आपका इंडेक्स है जो स्टार्टिंग में होना चाहिए, बट थोड़ा सा बस मैनेजमेंट की वजह से इंडेक्स थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गया हमारा. तो ये आपका इंडेक्स रहेगा. तो आप पूरा का पूरा जो आपका स्टूडेंट बेस्ड एक्टिविटी फ़ाइल है ये आपकी कंप्लीट फ़ाइल रहेगी. तो आप इससे क्या कर सकते हैं, आप सेम टू सेम ऐसी ही फ़ाइल बना सकते हैं अपनी बीएड की सेकेंड ईयर की. अगर आपको कोई और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए बीएड के स्टडी प्लान्स के रिगार्डिंग, लेसन प्लान्स के रिगार्डिंग, तो आप हमारे चैनल पे और भी ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हो. हमने हमारे चैनल पे सारी वीडियोस डाल रखी हैं. तो जितना आपसे पॉसिबल हो पाए, आपको जो जो कंटेंट चाहिए, जो आपको रेलेवेंट लगता है, प्लीज़ आप उसको देखिए, लाइक कीजिए. अगर आप किसी अपने फ्रेंड को रिकमेंड करना चाहते तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल एंड ऑल्सो शेयर अवर चैनल, ताकि सभी आप उसको यूज़ कर सकें. सो थैंक यू सो मच.